Welcome back to Ford DentSide. Welcome to my living room. I'm in the process of painting here, so excuse the emptiness of this room, or mess, whatever you want to call it. But today's a big day. We got a lot of stuff from LMC Truck. I made a big order to try and beat the tariffs, and I believe I did. So we're gonna open all this stuff and check it out and see what we got. Here we go. It's like Christmas. All right, so we have, I believe, 52 items, but I'll make this as fast as I can. Not sure what this is. Oh, visors. Black. Beautiful. I know what this is. Glove box. Plastic. Ooh, that one's heavy. Not sure. Ooh. It's heavy. Gotta be some kind of hardware or something. Oh, seat belts. Yeah, I didn't want a spring for them, but the ones I have are so bad that I got new ones. Those are going to be a welcome addition. The ones in the truck are all rusted out. So this was kind of a big purchase, but I'm glad I did it. AC register duct. By the way, I don't know, this truck came with AC, and it has all the round paper spring-loaded vents. I still have them thrown in the back of the truck, but I can't find replacements. If anybody knows where I can find those, please let me know. Got one that didn't make it through shipping, and that would be the thermostat. And she's bent. Well, we'll see. We might have to call LMC about that. Alright. We got some tailgate stuff. We have the little arms for the vent window. Oh yeah. This one I'm psyched about. Okay. It comes in pieces. Steering wheel. Some assembly required. Assembly not a big deal. We can do that. Hardware for this. Oh, there's the hardware. That's going to be another welcome addition to the inside of this truck, because the wheel I have on there is in pretty rough shape. The interior is going to be completely redone. Okay, what do we have here? We have another thermostat. I don't remember ordering two of these. Okay. Two of the exact same thermostat. I'm gonna have to check my list. I don't remember ordering two of those. We'll see. These I need to check. Taillights, obviously. No cracks. Good to go. One of them anyway. The one I have on the truck is broke. The other one is not broke. But they're also old and faded. So this is really going to spruce up the back. No cracks. That's for the passenger side. That's the one that is broken on my truck. Make sure this is the driver's side. Yep. Okay, this is the firewall boot for the steering column. And to tell you the truth, I thought this was metal. Okay. This is the, I believe, fender cowl lacing for the hood. This goes behind the hood up against the firewall to stop water from dripping down. Another box that took some damage here. This is the oil pressure switch. Looks all right. Tailgate hinges. Need those, don't have them at all. Tailgate latch. I have one, but it's in pretty rough shape. I figured for the cost, might as well get another one. Or a new one anyway. The other hinge. Another box that's seen better days. Oh boy. This is in really rough shape. This is the steering wheel adapter. Spring. A couple pens. Nut. I don't see. I don't see the mounting screws. This might be missing a piece. We're gonna have to find out. Obviously this box has seen better days. Put that in the questionable. Here's the other vent window latch. We got a gasket set. Timing cover. Exhaust manifolds. We are doing a 400 to 351M swap. I wish they would have boxed this separately. This is the oil pan. I'm sorry. The intake pan. Hopefully that is still straight. that was packed in this box with a bunch of other stuff. All right, a lot of stuff here. These are for the tailgate, little bumpers. Bolts for the bumper, or for the tailgate, I mean. More bolts for the tailgate. Oh boy. Tailgate, 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 tailgate. That's for the visors, the clip for the visors. Tailgate. Little tailgate pin for the rod for the handle. This is the bearing for the steering column. Another gasket for the steering column. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is the pin for the visor. Thermostat gasket. Gaskets. The other pin for the visor. End cap for the pin for the visor. Tailgate. Tailgate. Tailgate, tailgate, tailgate. Yep. Steering wheel. Oh, this is the end cap, the center cap for the steering wheel. I believe that's billet. Put all this stuff for the tailgate in the bag. All the bolts, everything, I just bought them from LMC. I could go to the hardware store and go get them probably for a couple cents cheaper, but I'm not even going to play that game. Here's the other bearing. I don't know if that's the right one or not. Those are steering column stuff. All right, we're getting on there. Oh, there's another one for the tailgate. Valve cover gaskets. Box is done. What do we have here? Oh, door cards. Looks better than mine. Mine, somebody put some red carpet stuff in here and drilled a bunch of holes through it. Then instead of using the clips, they just screwed through everything and right through the door. So not only do I have to fix the holes in the door because they're not painted or protected from rust, also this was broke, this was broke. So the ones I have are junk. These will be a welcome addition to the interior. That one looks okay. Make sure there's no cracks or anything on this one. Looks good. Plastic burr. It's just cheapy plastic, but what do you want? I have to think about putting some speakers behind here. You got the phone. Gotta have tunes. Alrighty, let's go to the next box. Black velour seat cover. I cannot wait to put this thing on. That seat in that truck is just hammered. And it comes with the hog ring and the pliers and instructions. I'm not going to open that up because I don't want to rewrap it. But that's the seat. That's the black velour seat cover. And I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. Care to take a guess? Ta-da! Seat back. My truck did not have one at all. It just had some standard foam thrown in there. So now I got a real seat back, so I don't have to feel springs in my back. Okay. So that wraps it up from the LMC stuff that I got. I also have a seat bottom, and I have a dash. I think I got that from Eckler's. And then I also have, I forget where I bought this from, but I got the heavy duty steering to replace the junk in my truck. Because mine was completely wasted. The rag joint was literally broken right in half and it was just flopping around on the safety pins. Check out my other video. There's a video of it. Pretty bad. But this is going to be cool. Can't wait to get this on the truck. I think we're going to do the motor swap first. And then we'll move on to that. I also have lots of paint and primer and cleaner and you name it. But that's it for today. As you can see, lots to do. So keep watching and we'll add this stuff in future videos. Have a great day.